Hello everybody. I would like to welcome everyone here to this wonderful event with NASCAR and Lurie Children's. I'm Dr. Denise Ibrahim, an orthopedic surgeon here at Lurie Children's, and this is a great event to give recognition to the wonderful children that have been given club feet and have been going through the treatments, either through Lurie's or elsewhere. So we are super grateful to Clubfoot Solutions and Joey Gase, the race car driver that will be supporting and bringing recognition and attention to Clubfoot, patients that have been born with it around the world and locally. So first I would like to introduce Dr. Rebecca Carl. She runs our Clubfoot program here at Lurie Children's.
Thanks so much, Denise. I'm Rebecca Carl, and I'm so thrilled to welcome all of you, and especially our Clubfoot patients who've come today to support this great cause. And we're just so happy to be here with Joey Gase and Clubfoot Solutions. And I just wanted to, for people who are not familiar with Clubfoot, it's one of the most common foot conditions in children. It affects one or both feet, and because of a really amazing, mostly non-operative technique that involves casting, a very small procedure, and bracing, children who have Clubfoot, they're healthy, active children who participate in their favorite sports, and we are very proud of our multidisciplinary program of physicians, orthopedics, and sports medicine, our orthotists, our physical therapists. We also have with us today Jose Morquende, who's one of the world's experts in Clubfoot, probably the foremost world expert in Clubfoot. And so we are just really happy to have everyone here at this event. So with that said, I'd like to have Todd Becker come up. And Todd, thank you so much for your support in organizing this event.
Well, thank you, everyone. First off, I want to thank Dr. McQuende for being here. He came from the University of Iowa. Dr. McQuende is the heir apparent to Dr. Poncetti that developed the technique that corrected your kid's feet. So he trains children's surgeons from all over the world. He's the founder of our mission, Clubfoot Solutions, and I've had the privilege of working with him since 2015. It's been a wonderful mission that we've been on. So I want to thank Joey Gase. We've been working with Joey Gase and his team, Joey Gase Racing, for Joey, since 2018 now. We've been doing stuff with Joey. Joey's a family friend. I've known Joey for a long time. He's been racing on the Xfinity Series now for 12 years and does wonderful things of raising awareness for not only club feet, but organ donation. Had Prime Dog not too long ago to raise awareness on some of that stuff. So we're very happy to have Joey, and I know he's really excited for the race on Saturday and bringing our mission to us. So a little bit about our mission. So what we do, I want to introduce Yvonne. Yvonne, you want to come up here with me, big guy? Come on up here. So Yvonne's from the Ivory Coast in Africa. So he was a Clubfoot child there and came over on a mission, a church mission, to be corrected when Dr. McQuende was his surgeon that corrected him. And then Yvonne ended up staying here and was adopted by Reeves and Avie Northrop, who are over here. They adopted him, and he's lived a normal life. And I saw the little guy, Dr. Ibram's, right here. That was Yvonne when he came here, a little bit older than him. And if you can imagine this, in Africa, less than 30% of the kids are treated there for clubfoot deformity. And that's what our mission is all about, ours and Poncetti International, to spread awareness so children like Yvonne can get corrected and they can walk all over. So it's very uncommon that they get to come over here and get corrected, but this little guy's been very lucky. So, right, Yvonne? And then I also want to introduce Clay Kurtz, and this is a funny story. So Clay was treated by the Dr. Poncetti himself at the University of Iowa. All right? Clay's from O'Neill, and he's also a race car driver. So when this whole thing came about, Joey sends me a text and goes, hey, you're not going to believe this. One of the guys I do races with on the Mid-Am series, when I come down and race for publicity stuff, Clay Kurtz was born with club feet. I'm like, what? No way. So then we reached out to Clay. He was treated by Dr. Poncetti 21 years ago, 22 years ago. He's 22 now. And he's lived a normal life. All right? So it's really neat to see older children, like not children anymore, young men like this. And you can see all your kids are being treated right now here by this by the great doctors here that they're going to live a normal life, and Clay's out there racing cars and doing all kinds of great things. So I just want to thank everybody. At the end here, we're going to have all the kids come sign their names on the car. This car will be able to sign their names on it. The other names that you see on there are all people that donated to us with kids. They have their names on there. We raised probably about $2,500 through this event to be able to send braces. People that have kids, they know what they are, the little braces, to children all over the world. So each year we send out about 15,000 braces to kids all over the world that can't afford braces. So after Dr. McQuende trains the people all over the world, they have to wear the braces for 4 or 5 years, and that's our mission. We send the braces to them. So thank you very much. We appreciate it. We'll have Joey come up and say a few words first about the race and our mission too.
Well, thank you, Todd, and thank you for everyone for being out here today. Obviously, Clubfoot Solution, WishBone Medical. This is something that is important to me. I did not have Clubfoot. My kids did not have Clubfoot, but I'm very thankful for that. I have 2 identical twin boys, and I could not imagine having to go through that. So seeing all these little kids out here today means the world to me. And thank you for everyone being out here, and hope we can raise a lot of awareness for Clubfoot this weekend. And thank you everyone for all the support.